Yo, what's good, boys? It's going to be a session recap. Actually, no, it's just going to be a day recap so far. We're going to start with Discord and what I called and what is happening. So, for GER40, I said daily's bullish, but nowhere near OTE, which would have been at least 0.5 to these areas. And then the 4 hour was bearish on GER40. So I predicted we'd go lower before getting that bigger move up, or you could short down there. So looks like London is making high of days to continue lower, so we'll check that. So London could be making high of days to continue lower into OTE. Now let's check GER40. As you can see, this is our daily range. Right here. This swing low made a new swing high. As you can see, right there. So we're nowhere near OTE still. So plan was, let's maybe find some shorts, or maybe it might set up for some shorts. So as you can see, this is Asian. We take our Asian high and push higher. And I marked this as a 15-minute market structure shift in case it did want to break structure, and that be the high of the day, but obviously not. Continued up. This is still London, because this is technically London London lunch, because I've got it in New York time, but London lunch would be from 11 to 12 or 12 to 1. We'll have a look. Okay, no, never mind. So it'd be from 9 to 11, yeah. So they call it London lunch. London lunch is 12 to 1 for most jobs. But yeah, as you can see, this is still London session. This is 10:30. Still London session. And we marked, cool, this is probably going to be high of day. We then get New York kill zone. As you can see, we've been sort of ranging. When we came up to this fair value gap, we pushed lower. So if we'd have marked, just do it inverse so we can see like that. From here. Oh, that's the wrong way. Okay. So as you can see, GER40 offered an OTE. So realistically, anywhere between this range, as you can see, we've got a fair value gap right there. It gets tapped, so that would be your entry. Stop loss can go of the high of the day. You can target this AM liquidity. You can also, this is probably low of day. So probably to target other areas. But yeah, that's GER40. As we called, did we write in here? No, we didn't. So yeah, like I said, we're bearish in my opinion. So go down before longing. So that is GER40. And I said on EU is pretty much in OTE right here. So let's trying to see if I said anything else. Yeah, like I said, EU is still in OTE, so we wouldn't be looking to short anymore. We'd be looking for longs, and London making the the low of day. So we've gone to EU. As we can see, Asian session right here. This is obviously midnight open. I believe it's right here. London pushes all the way down, makes the low of the day, as we called. Obviously takes out all this session liquidity as well. We can then get New York kill zone right here. So let's see if we got an OTA at all. So we make this right there. So we do actually get an OTE right there, and it would be a BPR or a breaker block just above it, I believe. This inverse gap in right there. Around here would have been your entries, unless you entered earlier. So let's say London, New York kill zone is now entered. We marked it from here to here. We got a fair value gap right there. Could have entered right there. Let me pause the recording. Cool, we're back now with our student.
Hello.
We're going to get him funded. We're going to get me funded. But yeah, like I was saying before I got rung, if you'd have entered during the kill zone and marked up this range right here, you got a fair value gap in OTE. Bang. There's your entry. Bang. Bang. It's a bit of a big stop loss, so you'd have had to have targeted something a bit higher. But realistically, the optimal entry was here. So as you can see, we make low of the day, and we have got fair value gap right there. Entry. You could have had a candle out, stops below low of day, because that's the probability. The probability is price will not come back to the low of day if we're bullish. And as you can see, whatever we'd have targeted, if this was our final target, we're almost there. If we'd have targeted, let's just say 20 pips, as you can see, hit. If you'd have targeted any of these imbalances here, hit. But yeah, that is the session recap. As you can see, I literally put this in at 8:04. London looking for low of day. You get low of day, price hasn't come back. So yeah, we're going to check news now. See if we can trade tomorrow. So we've got FOMC tomorrow, so we probably won't be trading. Yeah, we probably will not be trading. We might look at London kill zone, but is it really worth waking up at 7 when there's news at 7? No. So yeah, probably won't be a trading day tomorrow. We'll probably just back test, tape read, forward test, all that good stuff. But yeah, that's the end of the video. I'll see you guys whenever I see you, and in a bit.